When I die, fuck it, I wanna go to hell. Cause I'm a piece of shit, it ain't hard to fucking tell. It don't make sense going to heaven with the goody goodies dressed in white. I like black Timbs and black hoodies. Gotta probably have me on some real strict shit. No sleeping all day, no getting my dick lit. Hanging with the goody goodies, lounging in paradise. Fuck that shit, I wanna tote guns and shoot dice. All my life I've been considered as the worst. Lying to my mother, even stealing out her purse. Crime after crime, from drugs to extortion. I know my mother wish she got a fucking abortion. She don't even love me like she did when I was younger. Sucking on her chest just to stop my fucking hunger. I
Lord Jesus is a fire.
You may want to start changing your ways or changing your name.
Suckers are clever because my town is full of cops and robbers. You're not promised tomorrow in this little shop of horrors. So I got to get with the business and hit quick. Money grips, pockets looking thick, so I stick slick. Hold it right there, here's an ear, I know you got the loot. Or better yet, face down on the ground, empty your pockets too. Hit the deck, I got the tech right on your neck. And I expect to make a bucks to heck with a travel's cat. But if a victim tries to choke me, I'll have to smoke him like I'm Smokey the Beer, so okie dokie, goodbye. A point for a yard, have a good journey. Don't even try begging for your life, that don't concern me. So to the next weasel that freezes, you're begging and your pleases, only getting you closer to meet Jesus. Yeah, I shake a strut just to make a buck, then I break a duck, and if the duck not to get bucked, then I don't give a fuck. Hyper as a sniper, piper niggas like a plumber. Cold thinking and sticking up the ones that run the numbers. Or even the biggest, call the lady in the liquor store. Go inside, they kicking the door. Pull her, then I'm sticking it for money all your life, honey. Hurry and choose, but you lose because I got the ill street blues. Because I got the ill street blues. Because I got the ill street blues. 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 Ill street extra, extra, read all about it in the papers. The boss tried to rape us, so we tossed him off the skyscraper. Because he brought us some out for people to come and get us, but none of them did us. He must be trying to get us, but that's dead. I'm fake out in the red, cross the red borders, cause nobody can short us. We fled down the headquarters, ready to put some work. We're not a lazy crew. I do my job, I do, but yo, a man can't even stick me with some crazy glue. Ready to torment even more because he's flooring. We took out all those lookouts out the front and kicked the store in. What's up, Snake? Why'd you violate? They called him a hassa. Yo, that's a pick that don't frustrate. Getting ready to jab him. I grabbed him by the necktie. Homie tried to get fly and swing. I gave him a neck down. You know the evil the men do. Hell is where the men go. We snatched up by his hands and feet and threw him out the window. Up, 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 in the way, cause I don't play clown. Buck, take that with you on the way down. I'm hoping you got springs and wings on your shoes, but you lose, cause I got the ill street blues. Ill street blues, 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 ill street blues,
Then I ran out, I didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus.
This emptiness when I feel about it. This loneliness inside me longing makes me feel alive. Baby, I need your love.
设备都莫